Keeping your Samsung phone protected is one of the easiest ways to safeguard your personal information. Setting a lock screen password helps prevent unauthorized access to your photos, messages, apps, banking information, and other sensitive data. If you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone, here's how you can create a secure lock screen password in just a few minutes. Go to the settings page. You can do this by swiping down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings panel, then tapping the gear icon in the upper right corner. Inside settings, scroll down and tap lock screen and AOD. Depending on your Samsung model or One UI version, you may instead see security and privacy or biometrics and security. From there, tap screen lock type or smaller option. If your phone already has a PIN, pattern or password enabled, you'll need to enter your current screen lock before you can make any changes. Next, select password from the available lock options. Samsung requires your password to be at least 4 characters long, and it must include at least one letter. For better security, choose a password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols while avoiding obvious choices like your name, birthday, or 1234 password. After entering your new password, tap Continue. You'll then be asked to enter the exact same password again to confirm it. Once both entries match, tap OK or Confirm to save your new lock screen password. Finally, Samsung will ask how you'd like lock screen notifications to appear. You can choose to show all notification content, hide sensitive information, or hide notifications completely. Select the option that best fits your privacy preferences and tap Done. That's it. Your Samsung phone is now protected with a secure lock screen password. Every time you unlock your device or restart it, you'll need to enter your password to access your phone, helping keep your personal information safe and secure.